Trustless, which means that there is no party involved that takes the guarantee of trust. And since there is no human intervention, there is no such party needed. Because a trust based system is like a bank or an authorizing agency, that claims, if you read the 100 rupee note that you have, it is written that I promise to pay the bearer a sum of 100 rupees. That is a trust based system. But even trust based systems are not 100% fail proof. They are in very cases trustless. We have seen a lot of people getting loans from bank and defaulting on it. Even the entire real estate housing crash was a result of a trust based system going wrong. That is why post that crash, Bitcoin came into existence and it removed all of the intermediaries. It said, you have money, I have money, let's transact directly, just like Paytm. But with Paytm, you have to put your money in your bank account again. No, with crypto, you can just keep it there and use it forever. You take money out of your bank account to use it, to invest in, let's say, different stuff, to spend on different stuff. Crypto says that we want to remove all the fiat and we want to put together just P2P decentralized system. That is how it works.